Justin Mario. Justin Mario. Well, actually, I was having to say something on behalf of the other sports. Siguro, ayoko naman yung 5 minutes out of every 10 years. Hindi naman. Actually, things were simpler from time namin. Kasi we already did 75. Ang dali ng mga wedding. Wedding was very easy. This one is very complicated. However, the songs are still recognizable. Alam namin yung song. Last time, tapos ang ganda ng mga entrada, so many dancing. Buti na lang, I was not asked to dance. I don't like to dance. But anyway, as good as it is, it lasts for only the most 3 hours. But of course, actual marriage journey is very, very different. Tama nga yung sinabi ni Pastor, at tama rin ang sinabi ng iba. It's for better or for worse, through sickness and health, till death do us part. It's a journey full of joy. Just remember, there are 3 of you at a time. God is with you. Don't ever forget that. Now, on behalf of all these sponsors, I would like to say that we will always be with you every step of the way. Nakilala namin, actually, pati kami matagalan eh. Nung nasa Kamaya kami, we were actually waiting for some announcements there. Pero hindi naman nangyari. Hindi pa, nabitin tayo. Pero Justin tayo. And Reggie and Francisco, according to Kim. So, always their full name. But anyway, yes, the marriage journey is different than the wedding. You'll experience the joys and the things that have been said by the pastor, by your best man, by your maid of honor, and all the rest that you will hear. You will remember them all. But the most important thing, those who probably, for me, for us, in the Alicante side, for those who are not here anymore, our parents. Those from where the power and the talk and the advice of God from on high was passed on to our parents. And we will never forget. And you, I know that you should have wished that your father was here. But I know he's happy. I know. And your mother is here. And your parents are here. And you will remember that it is through them that's why you are here. That's what you are now as what you have. Sabi ng pastor, you are different people from different courses of life. My wife and I will be 50 next year. And it's a long journey. It's a long journey. You will feel the joy of this first day that you have experienced. You're being blessed. And that's very important, and you should never forget. But of course, it's easy to forget. Sabi nga ni Pastor, and that's correct, after so many years, 78 years of my life, 2 things. Life is unfair. Life is unfair. Second, it's not about who is right or wrong. It is about how you relate with one another. That's the most important thing. It's how you relate with one another, not who is right or wrong. That changes through time. We are in a very hard world today. Ang dami mga tulukan, ang dami mga sakit ng ulo, ang dami mga hinanakit. People to people, countries to countries, and others. It's a volatile world. But never mind. From God's eyes, siguro nandun ka sa malayo. Kitang-kita niya dito. Ayun na lang. And it's your time today. Never mind the rest. It's your time. And kami, manino at nina, we will be with you all the way. We will be with you all the way. In prayers, in anything sinabi ni Father, ang parents, tatlong C. Pagbata pa, control. Para hindi sila na-later. Pag medyo teenager na, coach. Co-coach ko lang sila. Pag medyo nandyan na, consultant na lang ang parents. Only when you need the 3 C's. But anyway, God bless you. We will be with you always. And we are happy as we saw you in your early days. We also shed a tear of joy seeing that. Thank you very much. It's an honor for all of us to be in one. God bless you.